Friday, September 5th, 2025. Saint Teresa of Calcutta. Focus. The King will answer them. Truly, I say to you, as you did it to me, one of the least of these my brothers, you did it to me. Matthew records the words of Jesus stipulating that each of us will be judged by God for the use we make of the time, talents, and opportunities He grants us to help the suffering. Mother Teresa received worldwide acclaim, but she began as a simple girl of Albanian descent, eager to devote her life to the Lord. As a nun sent to India, she was initially a teacher. How appropriate that it is also Teachers' Day today. But the suffering outside the convent walls touched her deeply. During the Bengal famine in the 1940s, millions died of starvation and illness. The young sister launched her work with an open-air school for slum children. Her mission to serve the poorest of the poor people never ceased, and now spans many countries. What would I have done in her place? Would I have responded to the need of the hour? Perhaps the famine today is for attention, for validation. We need to see and hear those around us, remembering that they are our brothers and sisters in Christ. If we ask and listen, the Lord will show the way. Fruit. Today, like Mother Teresa, I will take a moment to see Jesus in someone who feels overlooked and offer them a kind word, a smile, or a listening ear.